Professor William James says, action seems to follow feelings, but really actions and feelings goes together. And regulating the actions, you can also regulate the feeling. Hi, my name is King. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss on developing confidence for public speaking. Developing confidence for public speaking. Every activities of our lives is communication of a sort. But it is through speech that man assessed their distinction from other forms of life. But when he's unable to say clearly what he means through either nervous, timidity, or whatsoever, his personality is blocked off and misunderstood. In developing your confidence for public speaking, don't forget, take heart from experience of others. Look back at other experience. Look at their failures. Look at their faults. What made them not to do well in public speaking? What made them not to excel and succeed in public speaking? Take heart from the experience. Keep your goals before you. Your plan. Concentrate your attention on what the ability to talk more effectively will mean to you. Your goal. Think of the satisfaction and pleasure that will be yours when you stand up and confidently share your thoughts and feelings with your audience. Begin now to picture yourself before an audience. You might be called upon to address an audience. We're talking about developing confidence. Avoid fear. Avoid fear. Fear is something that we like to deviate you from. Is fear something that will limit you and will limit your confidence? Avoid fear. Although in every public speaking there is what we call stage fright, no doubt, but let not your fear overshadow your own thoughts. Prepare in the proper way. As you overcome fear, prepare in the proper way. What's the proper way? Never memorize your talk word by word. What you want to share with them, don't memorize it word by word. Because why? You can forget it when you reach the stage. So, in preparing the proper way, never memorize your talk word by word. You can assemble and arrange your idea beforehand. You can write them in an order in which you want to speak. You can also rehearse your talk with your friends. You know, sometimes when in school, you see, when you are preparing for a presentation, you can gather a group and just memorize the word by word with them. They will tell you an error they observe. You will prepare for the audience seated and waiting for you. In developing confidence, you can prepare in the proper way, never memorizing a talk word by word, or assemble and arrange your idea beforehand, or rehearse your talks with your friends. And also developing your mind, developing confidence for public speaking. Predetermine your mind to success. Let your goal be success. Your goal be success. You see, what a man has in heart, that's what will be leading him. You see, what a man is thinking, his thoughts will be prostrated and will be demonstrated by his action. So, predetermine yourself for success. Let your mind be ringing success. Lose yourself in your subject. Be free. Be free. Don't think. Keep your attention off negative stimuli, because right there at the stage, negative thoughts can be coming to you. Keep your attention off negative stimuli. Concentrate more And finally, act confidently. When you're developing your confidence, act confidently. There's something that differentiates us, differentiates you that is afraid, and me that is afraid but is still acting confidently. What is that? I said it right now. I act confident. You're afraid, but you don't have to adjust yourself. With these steps listed above, avoid fear. Although you're unique in your own fear, but don't let that fear swallow and overshadow you. Don't let negative stimuli come over your mind. They can come right there. Are these people understanding what I'm saying? Are they happy with me? You see, when a man is unable to speak clearly what he means, maybe because of his nervous or timidity or whatsoever, his personality is blocked off and misunderstood. So that what makes him different from human being is ability to communicate, verbal communication. Now, in order for you to develop that confidence, you have to predetermine your mind to success. Lose yourself in your subject. Be free. Express yourself. Keep your attention off negative stimuli, and finally, act confidently. Act confidently. This is the lecture I'll share for you for today. By next week, I will now give you steps to effective public speaking. This is just number one, preparing you by developing your confidence. Next week, I'll give you step to effective public speaking. Never forget, please subscribe down to the link below. And when you do that, like, share, and also comment. This is it. Like, share, and comment. Next week, I'll give you steps to effective public speaking. Thank you very much. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, comment. See you next week.